Columbia's history is rich with innovation. The entire organization is passionate about science and future. The idea that there would be electric rechargeable jackets changes an industry completely. I believe we step into a realm that's not about the outdoor industry. We want to be the greatest innovation company.
Up until now, you couldn't press a button and get warm. And then when you're warm, turn it off. That's a simple thing, but it's pretty cool. It's all the way to 2011 before that really became a practical idea. You're looking at Columbia's latest technology, Omni-Heat Electric, heated jackets, heated gloves with heaters in the fingers, and heated boots with heaters at your toes. You start with your power source, which is a lithium polymer battery. You just hide that in little pockets, and then we have this little waterproof keypad. It's red, that means it's on high. In the case of the boot, that power is sent to the insole of your shoe. And what's in there is just a thin film with a printed heater. This is the same kind of heater used in the heated car mirror. Here we have heaters that are basically made of textile. In this case, it's a metallized yarn channeled through the hand. This is our innovation lab. A lot of what we have here today are elements of testing Omni-Heat Electric. We have standard stuff like an oscilloscope, so we can run various amounts of voltage and take a look at the patterns of electricity flowing through the product. This is a digital thermometer. There's a thermal imaging camera, which is probably one of our most useful items, so we can clearly see where the heat zones are forming. You can see here the fingertips are all nicely heated. If I take one of these gloves off, we'll be able to see the wrist heater up here. And so you can see all the heat that was accumulating. These are the heaters, and you can see that the general area had been warmed. And you can actually see there's heat on the mannequin still from where the imprint was left from the heaters. Down there. So you can see the toe heater here, heating the boot. Humans at some point, I think they figure it's like 190,000 years ago, started to make its own clothing. People needed to protect themselves, particularly if they wanted to expand the geography that they were hunting in, say, go to colder areas. We still use a lot of the same stuff. I mean, animal skin is still central. Bird feathers are still super popular, and animal hair, we call it wool. What about really making people comfortable so you want to be outside, so we don't have to have all these meetings inside?